Alright, another unboxing video. This is the Minichamps Porsche 911 GT3 RS 2015 edition. This car is unique in my collection in that it's one I have actually driven. There will be a video about this at some point in the future, but I actually drove this one at Exotics Racing Las Vegas for my 45th birthday. Put down a second lap, which isn't on that track is not spectacular, but it's certainly my fastest lap ever. The Porsche, it's a driver's car, I'll say that. But we're not here to talk about the real thing. We're here to talk about the model. This is 1/18th model, 1/18th scale. Let's crack this box open and take a look. Alrighty, our ubiquitous cardboard box with clear packing tape and my handy dandy folding knife to break the seams. Cut that nasty tape right open. Someday I'm going to lose a finger live on video. Alright, and plenty of styrofoam peanuts in the box. That's a good sign. Particularly as this is a cellophane window type box, so it needs a lot of extra protection. Where'd I go? I went to dump the peanuts out of the box. Am I coming back? Well, clearly I'm moving around the room because the camera is shaking. Here we go, I'm back. I got the excess peanuts out. And we pull the box out of the other box with only a minimal number of peanuts falling. And they did have some solid foam pieces in there, which is a nice touch. Alright, we got the bubble wrap around the box. And any moment now, I'm going to get back in here and start working on that bubble wrap. The strobing effect is from the ceiling fan overhead. Sorry about that. Sometimes I forget to turn it off. Even though it's October, it is pretty warm here where I live. And sometimes I like to have the ceiling fan on so I don't get excessively sweaty. Alright, here we go. The delicate process of removing the bubble wrap. Cutting the tape without damaging my box. Slice, slice, slice. Slice, slice, slice. Would you believe I'm really good at filleting fish? That's a lie. I'm not that good at filleting fish. I don't have a lot of practice at it. I've done it maybe 3 times in my life. And this one I'm not going to take out of the box because I really... sometimes these cellophane boxes with the plastic inserts to support the box, they're a pain in the butt to get out of there. And we can see the model just fine through the plastic. So that's what we're going to do. Let me zoom in here. Beautiful purple Porsche 911. I think this is a 991. Me and the Porsche chassis codes. I will admit I am not an expert at Porsche chassis codes, but my data says that this is a 991. Big, beautiful yellow brake rotors, center lock hubs, and just another pretty die-cast car for my collection. Thanks for joining me. We'll do this again soon.